25 fruits name in English and Hindi for kids. Orange. Children, in English, orange. In Hindi, santra. Orange. Avocado. Children, in English, avocado. In Hindi, alligator nashpati. Avocado. Watermelon. Children, in English, watermelon. In Hindi, tarbooj. Watermelon. Banana. Children, in English, banana. In Hindi, kela. Banana. Kiwi. Children, in English, kiwi. In Hindi, kiwi. Kiwi. Mango. Children, in English, mango. In Hindi, aam. Mango. Strawberry. Children, in English, strawberry. In Hindi, hisalu. Strawberry. Plum. Children, in English, plum. In Hindi, aloo bhukara. Plum. Apple. Children, in English, apple. In Hindi, seb. Apple. Grapes. Children, in English, grapes. In Hindi, angur. Grapes. Peach. Children, in English, peach. In Hindi, adu. Peach. Pear. Children, in English, pear. In Hindi, nashpati. Pear. Cherry. Children, in English, cherry. In Hindi, aloo balu. Cherry. Star fruit. Children, in English, star fruit. In Hindi, kamarak. Star fruit. Pomegranate. Children, in English, pomegranate. In Hindi, anar. Pomegranate. Apricot. Children, in English, apricot. In Hindi, khubani. Apricot. Coconut. Children, in English, coconut. In Hindi, nariyal. Coconut. Papaya. Children, in English, papaya. In Hindi, papita. Papaya. Lemon. Children, in English, lemon. In Hindi, nimbu. Lemon. Blueberries. Children, in English, blueberries. In Hindi, neelbadri. Blueberries. Fig. Children, in English, fig. In Hindi, anjeer. Fig. Raspberry. Children, in English, raspberry. In Hindi, raspberry. Raspberry. Guava. Children, in English, guava. In Hindi, amrud. Guava. Pineapple. Ananas. Children, in English, pineapple. In Hindi, ananas. Pineapple. Lychee. Children, in English, lychee. In Hindi, lychee. Lychee.